everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key. We've got the headlight welcoming animation on there. We also have the kidney grille lighting up, and the lights are cascading down the kidney grille. Looks sweet. So let me do a lap all the way around. You can see a bit of that welcome light carpet now here as well. Now the sun is setting a little bit. So now that we've done this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This color has been on pretty well every model, and it does look really sweet on the X5. And as you've probably mentioned or heard me mention many times, this color came out in 2021 as the color for the M3, M4, G80, G82, and now it's a M color, but it's appeared on many cars. You can see these lines, a couple subtle lines here, another one here, that are going lengthwise down the hood. We've got the BMW Rondell. We have the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, which also illuminates. We've also got the active grille shutters behind, radar puck at the bottom, more active grille shutters at the bottom here, and we also have some active air going into each of the wheel wells and going into intercoolers, oil coolers, aerodynamics, braking system, all that good stuff. So let me just hit unlock again. We'll get those headlights back on. And let's take a closer look at these headlights. So these are the BMW LED shadow line headlights. So the housing is all blacked out inside there. And I really like all these little patterns. The double chevron design looks real good. And overall, look at the headlights. Looks sweet. You see that coming up behind you? It looks real good. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the blue M Sport brake there. And because this is the M Sport package on here, you do have the body colored over fenders. We have the black accent here on the fender that connects directly into this body line. We also have the welcome light carpet emitting from this little hole in the rocker panel. So kind of hard to see unless you get to this angle. And this lighting. Side profile, sports activity vehicle. We have touch comfort access on the front door handles. Body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera. Black roof rails up top with the panoramic roof. Bow on top because the car is sold. And windows tinted, 35%. We did that here. The back comes dark from the factory. We also have the Hofmeister kink here, new style antenna, spoiler up top, rear wiper arm, and here are your X-shaped tail lights. I love the way that that animates, and you got all these little patterns illuminating. BMW is also illuminated on the side. There's your rear 742M wheel. And if you're wondering why this car looks so dumped, we're on air suspension. I aired it out just so it looks sick for the video. Now, on the back here, you'll see that we have horizontal reflectors on each side, freeform exhaust, and the rear diffuser. So since I'm back here, I've got the key with me, give it a little kick. So once that opens up, you'll see we have a cargo cover here. There's a button right there on the vent that you can press that releases the cargo cover. And once that is released, underneath here, there's a space in which it can be stored. You got your wheel lock key, your tow hook, optional spare tire with toolkit there. This can lower or raise the lower tailgate, and that is to lower the air suspension from back here in case you need to lower the car to make it easier to put things through here. We have the 12-volt plug, we have the grocery bag hanger, and we have another grocery bag hanger. And this is where your tire inflator kit would go if you did not have a spare tire. And then up top, button to close, another one to close and lock, and a new instructional picture that they've added. So go ahead, kick your foot underneath the middle. We can get that to close the hands-free way. Beauty. If we come around to the passenger side, fuel cap doors over here connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. I just said it, this one doesn't say it on here. Spot to put the cap while you refuel, and clockwise 1 click to shut that. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have the manual sunshades here. You can also see we've got some nice contrast stitching, door pull, window switch, ambient lighting, carbon fiber, door pockets with ambient lighting. We have the aluminum illuminating M door sill, Black Sensafin Interior decor. We have the outer headrest to flip up or flip down, armrest in the center with some cup holders, storage, and once that's open you can find the string here for the center pass-through. We also have easy access down here to ISOFIX for lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats. Up top we got the black headliner, reading lights, coat hanger with the handle on each side. And on the back of the center console, you'll see that we have some vents with some rear heated seats for the 2 outer positions, some storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plugs, and we also have some illumination and some ventilation coming from underneath the front seats for the rear passengers' feet. So let's shut this door, and we'll open up the front door next. Once that opens up, we got Harman Kardon in here. Nice stitching going across the door panel, unlock, lock, ambient light, window, carbon fiber, and down here some big deep pockets. Another illuminating M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh, manual headrest adjustment forwards, backwards. Height is power though. Oops, just like that. And if we look over here, we have the illuminating glove box. We have interaction light bar, carbon fiber interior trim, nice stitching and soft materials on the dash. The curved display here with iDrive 8.5. We have some vents. We have wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders that are heated and cooled, 12-volt plug, glass push start, glass gear selector, glass iDrive controller, air suspension controller, some nice padding on the sides here. Press this, you also have USB Type-C down there. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's shut that door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we open the front driver door, you'll see inside Harman Kardon, nice stitching, memory seats, tailgate, side mirror controls, window controls, some more pockets down there. Another illuminating M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Another look at those beautiful seats. We've got the M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock. We also have the head-up display over here. And this car has all the self-parking, so self front park, back park, parallel park, and all the cruise controls. So mitigate speed, distance, steer for you, change lanes for you, all with no hands on the steering wheel. Up top, we got some reading lights, sunroof controls. You also have 3 buttons underneath the rearview mirror for your garage doors. The visor has a light that opens up with the mirror. And down here, we've got your exterior lighting controls, power adjustment for the steering column. There are your pedals. Here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls. 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. This one has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is here, negative battery terminal is here. Washer fluid is over there. We also have the diamond-shaped strut brace, and this is an absolute beast. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. It just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. I think the car looks really good in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. It's a very neutral color, very forgiving when it comes to cleaning as well. And now that we're at the back here, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And once we get up front here, I'm going to 1, 2, 3 again to shut it off. And the car might need to do some breathing. No, I thought the active grille shutters might open, but I don't think I had it on long enough, and it's actually pretty warm today, so that's okay. Just wanted to also demonstrate that remote engine start, cold start sound. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Black Sensafin Interior and the black 22-inch 742s. How do you like this car? So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.